Hi, welcome to the demonstration of Android Artificial Intelligence Diet Consultant. These days, everyone is very keen and very particular when it comes to health and diet, and health is directly proportional to your diet. So, we present you a system which helps you in maintaining your diet and keeping you healthy. The system has a physical dietitian as well as an artificial intelligence dietitian, both having different roles with only one aim: to keep the user satisfied with his diet plan, having two different systems, that is, different apps for user and dietitian. Similar to a dietitian, the system will ask the user his physical attributes such as his gender, age, height, weight, etc. to make a diet plan. The initial diet plan, it can be whether the user first registers into the system or when the user updates the physical attributes. The AI dietitian comes in picture here, and when the user is not happy with the diet plan or needs some changes accordingly, he can apply for a custom request to a dietitian. However smart the machine may be, the human brain is always better, so a human touch on a diet plan can have a great impact always. So then the dietitian gets a request and he or she can update your diet according to the request, and the request is deleted and the dietitian can no longer see the previous requests. The dietitian adds the food with the carbs, protein and fats in grams, also indicating when it can be consumed, that is for breakfast or lunch or dinner, and who all can consume, that is if he is underweight or a healthy person can consume it, or an overweight user can consume, etc. The AI calculates the plan based on the physical attributes and calculates the amount of proteins, fats, etc. that the user should need considering the body mass index level, and accordingly gives out an efficient diet plan. The user can also give a feedback to the dietitian for his service. So let's see how they work. So let's start with the user part first. So this is the dashboard. So since I have already logged in, the app directly takes me to my dashboard page. So this is a test user, so it says welcome test. While registering, I entered the name as test. So let's go back, let's log out. Okay, so this is the login page, and if you are not a user, you can click here and register with the basic details. Since I already have an account, I'll log in directly. Okay, so I have 4 modules here below. First is my plan. So if I click on my plan, you will see the status. So the status here is calculated on the basis of BMI. So the status says I am slightly overweight and my BMI level is 26.45. And here is the diet plan that artificial intelligent dietitian has suggested me for breakfast, for lunch, for evening snacks and for dinner. According to my physical attributes and according to my BMI, the plan has been made. So let's go back and I'll see my BMI status over here. It's the same that I've seen in the my plan thing profile. Okay, in the profile I can update my physical attributes such as my age, my height and weight, and as I update my profile, the previous diet plan that I have just seen will be deleted, and if I go to my plan again, there will be a fresh new diet plan generated on the basis of my new physical attributes entered. So we'll see that later, and this is the feedback. Okay, so let's go to my plan here and let's see what is the plan now. So this is the plan, my BMI level and my status. So what I'll do, I'll go to profile and I'll update it. I'll say my age is 25 but my weight is, let's say, 95. So now the BMI level should change and I'll update. So let's go back, let's see the BMI status. So the BMI status which I have seen earlier, it said that I'm slightly overweight and it was around 26.45. So now let's go to my plan. Okay, so now as you see, the status, the BMI as well as the whole plan has been changed. and it has been made and generated on the basis of my new attributes. So let's say I don't want meat. So there are many meats here which have been included. So what I'll do, I'll click on custom request and I'll say I want more of juices. Okay, and I submit. So my request is submitted. Let's go back. Let's go to Dietitian app now. Okay, so Dietitian has 3 modules here: food, custom request and feedback. So if I go to food, I'll see all the list of food here which the Dietitian itself have added. So if I click on edit here, I can accordingly change the carbohydrates, fats and other contents. Also can be consumed by and can be consumed for, and likewise I can also add them here as you see here. Okay, so let's go back to custom request. Okay, and this is the request that I have just made, requesting I want more of juices, and this is the diet plan that the AI dietitian has made for me. So okay, let's remove meat here, and as the user suggested, he needs more of juices or maybe fruits. So let's add 1 glass of grape juice and some more juices maybe, or maybe I'll tell him to have fruit salad, 1 cup. Okay, and I'll say confirm. Okay, so the diet plan has been updated here and the request has been gone. So let's go back. Let's go to my plan. Okay, so as you can see in the lunch section, it has been changed. So this is my diet plan which I needed some changes, and the physical dietitian helped me here. In the same way, I can make a feedback like the service is great, and I submit. And if I go back here and if I go to feedback, I'll see the feedback the user test has given me. So this is a small app which may help the user in maintaining his diet. Thank you.